Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix scorekeeper unknown error or any kind of other error you are getting. I will show you guys the different solution that you need to apply one by one and see which fixes your problem. So first go to your Steam library and just click on the scorekeeper game. I don't have the game, but trust me, I will show you the solution that will definitely work for you. So once you click on the scorekeeper game, then just click on the gear icon, go to your game properties, then just go to the install file, then just click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now you just need to restart your Steam again and launch your game again. See your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows search and just type here the Windows update and just open it. Sometimes updating your Windows will fix your problem because the unupdated Windows will also cause this kind of issues or errors. So you just need to make sure that your Windows is updated. If there is any kind of update option is available, then just update it. And if your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows side, type here the device manager and open it. Here you will see the display adapter. Simply open it and update your graphic card. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then just open up the NVIDIA software and update your NVIDIA graphic card. If you have the AMD graphic card, then just open up the AMD software and update your AMD graphic card. Then just restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. If not, then just open up the Steam and click on the Steam option. Then just go to your Steam settings. Then just click on the downloads you are seeing here. Then just click on the clear cache option. Then just click on the confirm. Then you have to simply launch your or the open up your Steam again and launch your game again. Then just see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, hope your problem will be fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows search and type here the Windows security. And sometimes your Windows security is blocking your game and causing this error. Then click on the virus and threat protection, and here you just need to scroll down. You'll see the ransomware protection. Just open it. Here you just need to make sure that this setting is off. So if this is on, then you can just turn it off. Then just go back and launch your game and your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then just click on the gear icon, go to the manage and just uninstall the game from your PC and then just again install it. After that, your problem will be fixed definitely. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.